In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to change the AirPods 2 battery. So before I begin, I want to make something very clear. Changing the battery in the AirPods 2 can be extremely difficult. This is not recommended for the average user. If you aren't comfortable using specific tools, messing with tiny components, gluing it shut, then I would never recommend this. It is much better to save yourself headaches and just take it to a repair shop to see what can be done, or even consider purchasing new ones. This is going to require soldering specific items and things that are very difficult to access. So do this at your own discretion. With all of this said, if you really want to do this, what you will have to do is first use a heat gun to heat up the AirPods. So do this with the left and right AirPod, whichever one is showing problems related to the battery. Once it is properly heated up, pry up the metal cap from the side, and usually there will be a flex cable attached here alongside lots of adhesive. Do not damage the flex cable while prying it open. Remove the adhesive using tweezers like this. Make sure to heat up the AirPods constantly while removing the adhesive. With this done, remember to pay attention to the black flex cable while prying up the metal cap. So if you see a flex cable like this, it's important to be extremely careful. Now, keep removing the adhesive using tweezers. Remove as much as you can. To take out the battery, the adhesive must be removed completely. A small amount of alcohol can facilitate removing the adhesive that is attached to it. Now, in here, to remove the battery, you will need to use soldering iron and apply some paste flux to the bonding pad. Heat with soldering iron, pry up the cathode of the battery, and keep applying a small amount of paste flux. You will be able to take out the battery with revamped tweezers. Detach the AirPods from the holder and keep heating it. It is going to come cleanly out and you will be able to insert the replacement. I hope I was able to help you on how to change AirPods 2 battery. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.